and gentle bells optional. The kitchen smells like cinnamon spice, making little cutouts so nice. Rolling out the dough on the counter cold, a story that's as sweet as it is old. I trace your outline with an icing pen. Wish you could hold me in your arms again. This cookie cutter Christmas is bittersweet without you here to make it feel complete. Got a gingerbread heart baked with love today, but the frosting's all melting while you're away. Oh, the sugar is sweet, but the center is blue, waiting on the oven timer just like I'm waiting on you. Come home for Christmas, heal this sugary ache. It's the only heart that I want you to break. Your sweater's hanging on the kitchen chair. I keep pretending you're still standing there. The kettle sings a tune that feels like you, soft and familiar but a little lonely too. The radio is playing our favorite song, the one we used to hum as we danced along the floor. On my fingers, tears in my eyes. Holiday magic's hard when the heart cries. Got a gingerbread heart baked with love today, but the frosting's all melting while you're away. Oh, the sugar is sweet, but the center is blue, waiting on the oven timer just like I'm waiting on you. Come home for Christmas, heal this sugary ache. It's the only heart that I want you to break. Background optional. Maybe if I make enough of these, my simple wish will sail upon the breeze to catch you in the doorway, brush the snow from your hair, and know that my little heart has you right there. And if the winter wind carries you home to me, I'll leave the porch light glowing like a Christmas tree. Got a gingerbread heart baked with love today, but it crumbles a little more every day you're away. Oh, the sugar is sweet, but it's nothing without you. I'm standing by the window like I always do. Come home for Christmas, love, for goodness sake. This gingerbread heart is yours to take. Soft humming over ukulele strums. Come home, come home. Fade out gently